The Lord, that's
we go there.
Oh, you say dirty. We're all standing waiting for it to come back. Here he comes. You've got
My name is Dan, and for the next few minutes, I'm going to try and give you some interesting facts about our wonderful lions behind me in the enclosure here. Now, you have time to do a visit to the lion enclosure incredibly well this morning, and as you can see, we've got lots of activity going on because it looks like it's breakfast